least 3 workers were killed and 4 others sustained serious injuries during the construction of an underground tunnel for the Patna metro. The incident occurred on Ashok Rajpath late Monday night. According to reports, the accident happened when a loco machine used to transport materials within the tunnel experienced a brake failure. Due to malfunction, several workers were caught in the path of the locomotive machine. 7 workers came under the impact of the machine and 1 of them died on the spot. The injured workers were rescued and rushed to the nearby Patna Medical College and Hospital, where 2 workers succumbed to injuries. An investigation has been launched to determine the cause of the brake failure. A supervisor noted that no engineers were present during the late night shift, potentially contributing to the incident. The victims are native of Odisha and were associated with DMRC as contract employees. On the death and injury of Odia labourers, Odisha Labour Minister Ganesh Ram Khuntia said, "This is unfortunate. The Odisha government will provide compensation and will discuss with Bihar."
बड़ी दुख की बात है, मुझे जानकारी अभी मिला, तो जो निश्चित रूप पे हम लोग उड़ीसा सरकार तरफ से हम लोग डिपार्टमेंट के अफसर को तुरंत डिपोटेट करेंगे, बातचीत करके उसको कैसे रिक्शो क्या किया जाए, उनका अपना आइडेंटिटी है कि नहीं, अपना डॉक्यूमेंट्स है कि नहीं, अगर है तो हम लोग जरूर उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट तरफ से उनको रिक्शो जितना कंपनसेशन होगा देना।
6 जन का इलाज भी चल रहा है, तो उनका इलाज के लिए क्या व्यवस्था?
अभी तुरंत हम लोग अभी जो मैसेज मिला है कैसे किया जाए, तो तुरंत गवर्नमेंट बात करेगी बिहार गवर्नमेंट के साथ।